Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can easily add images to your variants in Shopify. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Shopify and then just click here on product and click on one of your product. Now here I got like all the variants here. What I'm going to do is you just want to select, I don't know, click this in here on one, more actions, and you can edit quantities, add image right here, right? And I can simply add image for that. Is going to be this canon here. Click done. And okay, so right now when I'm going to preview the website, see, I can see the variant here between it. And this is pretty much how we do it. And this is how we can add multiple images. You can add it for everything if you want to. It's like really up to you. And yeah. So have a great day and goodbye.